given that y equal to 3 into x plus 1 into root over x minus 5. Now from this one we need to show that ddx of y equal to 9 into x minus 3 by 2 root over x minus 5. So here y equal to 3 into x plus 1 into root over x minus 5. Now ddx of y will be, at first we'll keep this one 3 into x plus 1. Then we need to differentiate this one. This one will be 1 by 2 root over x minus 5. Plus we'll keep 3 into root over x minus 5 at first. Over x minus 5. And ddx of x plus 1 will be 1. So what is our LCM? LCM will be 2 root over x minus 5. Then we'll get at numerator from this fraction, we'll get 6 plus 3 plus 2 into 3, 6 into x minus 5. So here we'll get 3x plus 3 plus 6x minus 13 by 2 root over x minus 5. So from this one we can write 3x plus 6x will be 9x minus 27 by 2 root over x minus 5. If we take 9 as a common factor, we'll get 9 into x minus 3 by 2 root over x minus 5. So A done. Now B. Hence find integration of x minus 3 by root over x minus 5 dx. So here from this one we can write ddx of y equal to this one, or if we move 9 into on this side, then we can write 2 by 9 dy equal to x minus 3 by root over x minus 5 dx. Now do the integration. So if we integrate this one, then we will get 2 by 9 y equal to integration of x minus 3 by root over x minus 5. And what is the value of y? The value of y is already given. That is 2 by 9. The value of y will be 3 into x plus 1 into root over x minus 5. Then 9 by 3 will be 3. So final answer will be 2 by 3 into x plus 1 into root over x minus 5 plus 6.